everyone, welcome to this week's product review. I'm Rhonda.
And I'm Tony.
And this week we're going to talk about our ClifRock modular kits. Now I know you received quite a few emails already on this, but we've gotten a lot of great feedback, and so we thought we would just talk about it one more time. We've heard from many of our installers that their ClifRock crew are no longer with them, lack of labor, some material constraints that they're having, or some of them are just too busy to do outdoor kitchens. Well, the kits, they take all that concern away. We do the work so you don't have to. These kitchens are 7.5 feet long. They come in two colors. This one here is the earth tone, and it also comes in a grayscale. Comes in 3 packages. This one here has the 3 drawers, the grill, and the double door access. The second package will have a trash receptacle here, and the third package, instead of the trash, will have a refrigerator. The countertops comes in 4 colors. This is the Dove Gray. It comes in midnight, white, and tan.
And now the thing you'll notice when you get your kits, none of the holes are pre-drilled for you because of pitch of patios, uneven surfaces. I use shims so I can get my levels correctly when they're interlocking. I want them to be nice and flush, so when you put your countertops down, it doesn't have any gaps, or very minimal. So with that being said, these are pretty easy to build. I build them myself, and it takes no time at all.
Great. Well, that's this week's product review. Thanks for joining us. And I want to wish everyone a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. We look forward to 2023 with you.
See ya.